Hello, Summer of Learning students. I'm Mr. Robert, and I'm here for some summer math. Today I want to teach you an activity called Snap Cube Sum Builder. You'll need your packet and a pencil, and you'll need your snap cubes. Let's get started. This activity is called Snap Cube Sum Builder. So here's a snap cube. Sum is the answer in an addition problem. So we're going to be adding, and we're going to be building snap cube trains from the sums. All right, so I've got on this sheet 5 problems. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 6 plus 2, 5 plus 4, and 7 plus 1. Looking at these problems, which train do you think is going to be the longest? So which of these sums is going to be the biggest? Which train do you think is going to be the shortest? Do you have an idea? All right, well, let me go on and start building my trains. So the first problem is 2 plus 3. So I'm going to get 2. There's 2. Put those together. And then I'm going to get 3 from a different color. I like to use 2 different colors for my 2 add-ins. First add-in is 2, the second add-in is 3, so I'm going to use 2 different colors. But you could use all one color, doesn't matter. So 2 plus 3 equals what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So I'm going to write my answer of 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And there is my train, my first train. My first snap cube train. Next problem is 3 plus 5. So I'm going to get 3 of these black ones, put them together. 1, 2, 3. And then 5, I'm going to get 5 of the green ones. Put those together. Build that train. 4, 5. Now I've got 3 plus 5. And 3 plus 5 equals what? How are you going to count this? How are you going to add this? You could count each one, but I know that this is 5, so I'm going to start with this one. 5, and I'm going to count up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. So I'm going to write that 3 plus 5 equals 8. And there's my second train. Oop. See, that one's a little longer, huh? Okay, next one is 6 plus 2. So I'm going to get 6. I've got 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2, I'm going to get, all right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Thought I had counted that incorrectly. And then 2 of these orange ones. And what do you think 6 plus 2 equals? How are you going to add this? I think I'll count on, right? So here's 6, 7, 8. Oh, once again, we have 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And I think that's should be the same length as the last one because the last one was 8. There we go. Now we've got 5 plus 4. So I'm going to get 5. 5 of these orange ones. And then I'm going to get 4. Get 4 of the green ones. And put these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 5. And now my 4. Do you know what 5 plus 4 equals? Well, 5, and now counting on, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Is that train going to be longer or shorter than the others? Or the same as one of the others? Well, I don't think we've had it. Oh, it's longer. 1 problem left, 7 plus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got 7 of these, and I'll get 1 of these. So 7 black. 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you know what 7 plus 1 equals? I think I know already. 7 plus 1, so there's 7, 8. So, oh, didn't write my answer. Need to do that. 7 plus 1 equals 8. And now, look at all of the Snap Cube trains that I built. Which one is the shortest? It's this one. 2 plus 3 equals 5. That's the shortest. Which one is the longest? This one here looks like it's the longest, and that is 5 plus 4 equals 9. And then we had 3 trains, 1, 2, 3, that were all the same length. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. So they all had the same answer, and so they're all the same length. And those were my Snap Cube trains that I built. Was your prediction correct? Did you think that this one would be the shortest, 2 plus 3? Did you think that 5 plus 4 was going to be the longest? Let me show you one more thing. I only had 2 Snap Cubes left when I was all done. You may not have enough Snap Cubes to do all of the trains, so let me show you something that you can do. After you build one train, what you can do is, if you line up the end of this train next to this line, then what I can do is I can draw a line here at the end of this train. And then that lets me know my train goes from here until here. And then with my next one, 3 plus 5, when I do that train, I can line it up and I can put my line here. So I know that my train goes all the way to there. 6 plus 2, put that right there against that line, and then line that up. Oh, same length there. 5 plus 4, line that up against that line, and then draw my line. Move that over so you can see, draw my line here. So that's where that train ends. And then this last train here, line that up against there, and then draw the end of that train. So in case you don't have enough Snap Cubes, you can draw the length of your Snap Cube train, and you can see that 5 plus 4 is my longest train, and 2 plus 3 is my smallest sum and my shortest train. The other thing is, if you don't have Snap Cubes or enough Snap Cubes, you could always use counters, or you could use square tiles or pennies, anything to make your train. And now it's your turn. In your packet are several more pages with problems for you to add and come up with sums and build those sums and build more Snap Cube trains. Have fun. See you next time.